Welcome back to the kitchen. We're cooking with Toni. Today I'm making ackee and saltfish for my friend Half Sinclair. So she's been asking me to make this for like weeks. It was actually supposed to be her birthday breakfast, but yeah, it's 2 weeks later. So here we are. So it's Jamaica's national dish. It's actually super easy to make. That's how I make mine. You want to start with some salted cod bits. It's extremely salted, so you have to like soak this in water or boil it off. So that's what I'm gonna do first. So this is my pot of water. I'm gonna add the saltfish and then bring it to a boil. Okay, so while my saltfish is boiling, I'm gonna work on my dumpling. This is my dough. It's been sitting covered with a damp cloth for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna make festival, which is pretty much sweetened fried dough. Every culture has their version of fried dough. You can't really go wrong with fried bread. I'm gonna roll it out. On my chopping board. The festival, I'm on my last batch. Those are best served hot, so we're gonna hurry up and finish the rest of the dish. So I've got my pan heating here with some oil. I'm gonna add one large thinly sliced onion and cook this down. And then I chopped up half a Scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional. It's not necessarily a spicy dish, but you know how we do, need a little bit of heat. Okay, so there's our onions and Scotch bonnet peppers. We're gonna add 2 small tomatoes to that. So this is how our fish turned out. I basically boiled this twice and then rinsed it and then chopped it up. So we're gonna add that. And cook that down. It smells really good. This is the ackee I'm using. It's by Dunn's River. You can find this at your local Jamaican or West Indian or Caribbean grocery store. If you're in Jamaica, you can just pick it off the tree, but we are not in Jamaica. It's in salted water, so you just want to strain that off and add it to your dish. So last thing you want to do is season with black pepper. You don't need to add salt to this dish at all because the cod is already salted and the ackee is in salted water, so no additional salt, definitely, but you definitely want to complement it with black pepper. The more the better. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this cook for a few more minutes and then serve.